A very good evening to all of you, my dear students. Welcome back to your mathematics class. I hope you all are fine and following all the protocols and guidelines of COVID. So, in this situation, we need to be at home and study hard. So, this is Seema in front of you, and today I will explain division, long division. Okay, in that, first I will explain you dividing 2-digit number by 1-digit number, then dividing 3-digit number by 1-digit number. After that I will explain dividing 4-digit number by 1-digit number. So three types of question I will today explain you. Okay, so hope you all enjoyed my earlier videos also, that is of after Roman number what I explain, I think multiplication. Okay, so children, watch this interesting video till end to know more about this topic. So let's start. Okay, for this I have to yes, blackboard. Now see, first what I told to explain, dividing. See the topic, dividing. This is an 2-digit number by 1 digit. Okay, now see here. Okay, now children, first question I will explain you, dividing 2-digit number, dividing 2-digit number. So first I will explain 42 divided by 1-digit number. So first I will explain 42 by 2, divide 42 by 2, divide 42 by 2. This is the symbol of division. So let's start. Okay, so first write how to write this 42. This is in the dividend place, and here no, this much very small space will be there. 42, okay, divided by 2. Now this is ones place, this is tens place, this is 2, this is at ones place, and 4 it is at tens place. Okay, so first what is the first step to divide? So first divide 4 tens by 2. 4 tens, this 4 is at, this is at the tens place. So first divide this 4 tens by 2. So yes, write 2 in the tens place of the quotient. Why? Because when you will divide 4 tens by 2, then what you will get? 2. 2 2s are 4. So right here 2, where? At tens place of the quotient. This is the place of quotient. Okay, this upper one, this is the place of quotient, and write product 4 below the dividend. Okay, below the dividend. So when you will subtract it, then what you will get? Subtract 4 minus 4, that is equals to 0. So right here 0. Okay, now what is the next step? Bring down 2 ones. Okay, so bring down this 2 ones. Now divide this 2 by 2. Okay, because your divisor it is what? 2. So 2 divided by 2 is equals to 1. So write this 1 in the place of ones place of quotient. Ones place of quotient. So 2 ones are 2. Okay, now subtract this, and after this write the product here. 2 ones are 2. Now subtract this. So when you will subtract 2 minus 2, then what you will get? 0. So what is your remainder? 0. So what is your quotient? The answer it is 21. So here dividend is equals to 42. Okay, 42 you can write it as 4 tens 2 ones. Divisor it is 2, and what is your answer? Answer it is 21. So you can write capital Q for quotient, and 21 will be your answer. So this is all how to divide 2-digit number by 1-digit number. So I am explaining you one more question. The same it will be, the same process it will be, but this time 3-digit number I am taking as the example. Okay, so I am taking example divide what 426 by 2. Okay, very easy. I am taking y to make you understand in a better way, that's why. Okay, divide 426 by 2. So how you will divide? What will be the first? Here you are, no, 426 is what? Dividend is equals to 426. So ones, tens, 100, 400, 2 tens and 6 ones, don't confuse. And this 2 is what? Divisor, divisor. Okay, so what is divisor? 2. Okay, now see, now let me erase first. Okay, now how to write in the division format? So first write dividend 426. Okay, and here divisor 2, and this is the place of ones, tens and 100. Okay, now first what you have to do? First you have to do, what is the first step? Divide this 4 by 2. So when you will divide this 4 by 2, then what will come? 4 divided by 2 is equals to 2. So write here 2 in the 100 place. Write 2 in the 100 place of the quotient. Where to write 2? In the 100th place of the quotient. And then what is the multiplied come? So here you have to subtract. So 4 minus 4 is equals to 0. Now bring down this 2. Now the term for 2. Now divide this 2 tens by 2. This is what? This is 2 tens by 2. So 2 divided by 2 is equals to 1. So write here ones at tens place of quotient, and here 2. Now again it is 0. Now bring down this 6 at ones place. Now divide this 6 ones with this divisor 2. Okay, so 2 3 is 6. So write here 3 at the place of quotient. Okay, at the place of ones place of the quotient, and here again 6. So when you will subtract it, 6 minus 6 is equals to 0. So what is your answer? 213. What is your answer? What is the quotient? Quotient always the answer of the division. Okay, quotient and remainder. A remainder is equals to 0. So the quotient is 213. That is your answer. Okay. Okay, and now come to the next. Okay, now I will explain dividing 4-digit number. Dividing 4-digit numbers by 1 digit. This is an or dot, this is the short form, this is the abbreviated form of numbers, but you children should write the complete, okay, NUMBER. Okay, now I will explain here. Divide 2864 by 2. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so for this I have to erase it. Okay, so first what is the dividend? 2864. What is the divisor? 2. Now let's start. First write here the place value ones, tens, 100 and 1000. So first divide this 2000 by this 2. 2000 by 2, so what will come? 1. So write this 1 in the thousands place of the quotient, and 2 ones are 2. Now subtract it, what you will get? 0. Now bring down this 8 here in at hundreds place. Now divide this 100 8 hundreds by 2, so what you will get? 4. Where? 800. So where to write this 4? At hundreds place of quotient. So 2 4s are 8. Subtract this, what is this come? 0. Now bring down the 6 at tens place. Okay, now divide the 6 by 2, 6 tens by 2, so what will come? 3 tens. So write 3 tens at the place of the quotient. Then 2 3s are 6, here I am writing now. Okay, so 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Now this bring down this 4. Now here to write 4. Now divide this 4 once by 2, then what you will get? 2. So where to write this 2? At ones place, because 4 ones, now we are dividing by 2. So whatever you are dividing, you have to write here. Which place number you are dividing? This is 2000. So 1 will write, you will write in the thousands place. This is 800. So this 4 you will write at the 100 place of the quotient, because 6 is at the tens place. So this 3 you will write at the quotient place, tens quotient place, because this is 4 at it is the ones place. So this quotient where you will write this quotient place? At the ones position. So here I have written 2. Now 2 2s are 4. When subtract this, what will come? 0. So what is the answer? 1432. 1432 will be your answer. The quotient is 1432. I hope now you understand how to do the division. Okay children, so now we will meet in the next video. Watch it, get benefit. Till then, bye bye and take care of yourself. Good night.